Hello guys, you're welcome to 3D Home, and in today's video I'll be showing us how to install your handrail on U-shaped staircase. Okay, on staircase like this particular one. Okay, maybe on our next video I'll be showing us how to do all these ones, but for today let's work with this particular one. Okay, so the first thing to do is to pick your tape measure. Okay, this is your tape measure. Pick your tape measure. All right, let's click from this edge to this side. Let's type in 100 mm. Okay, by this side let's go with 50 mm. So we want to repeat the same thing on all the steps, but to do that is a short way of doing that. Okay, so we don't go on and on and on doing repeating the same thing. So highlight these two. Okay, you know how to use your move tool, which is highlight them, click on move. When you click on move tool, all right, pick this particular one. Don't forget to type in your control to have a copy of it. Okay, so come to this same edge, that's from the point you pick. All right, for this, from this particular point, pick it here, and then come to this same point, click, and once you click, press on X, then times the number of your steps, so we have 10 steps here. So after pressing this one, after copying this one, let's press 10. All right, X10, X10. So you can see we have the same thing everywhere. Okay, what we actually need is this point. Okay, to have the exact point at each step. All right, so after doing it like this, come to this side, we have it here too. That's cool, that's cool. We don't need this particular one, so you can remove this one. And then to this point, let's do the same thing. Your tape measure, which is this one, click on your tape measure. All right, pick on this point. Let's go with, okay, let's go with 50 hundreds rather. Let's go with 100. Remember, we have 100 at this point. Okay, and then by the side we have 50, so click 50. So we'll be doing that on these steps too. Okay, this for the sake of accuracy, that's why we're doing that. So pick your tool again, which is here, sorry, here. All right, remember 100, and then we have 50 at this point, 50. Okay, so select these two, pick your move tool, pick the same point, press Ctrl, click here, and then press X10, X, and then 10. So we have the same thing everywhere. Don't allow the lines to confuse you. So the next thing to do now is to go to extension. Remember, the tool we'll be using, there's an extension we'll be using for this particular handrail. Okay, there's this extension that I introduced to you guys the other time. Our last video I actually posted the link on where you can download that particular extension. So if you don't have it, do well to follow that link and then download from there. Okay, and install. So this match rail is the same thing we're using here. Okay, so click on this match rail, select which of the handrail. I love going with C. All right, type C. So click on OK, and then from this point we'll be omitting one step. Okay, so after one step we leave one, click the second one. That's how we do all around. Remember, the points we are picking are those points we created. Okay, same thing here, right? This one here, here. All right, let's go with this point as the middle point. So same thing here. Let's go with this point. Remember, it's the same line. Okay, let's go with this point, and then this one, remember, one step, we'll be leaving one step behind. That is at the middle. So this is how you go on and on. But note something, once you get to this last step, okay, do well to double click on it. Okay, double click, and we'll have our rail all through. Okay, once you double click, all the rails will just come up. So this is our rail. Okay, this is what we have. right from here to this point, right, to this point, to this point, to this point. And so we have our, you can go on and on and on. So these lines are actually just guides. Okay, so now you can do well to delete them. Just highlight and delete. So this is our reel. Same process, okay, same method if you want to create another reel inside here. Okay, so thank you for your time. All right, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to our channel, okay, for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much.